In the heart of California, where golden hills meet azure skies, a different kind of hero stands ready. But when Mother Nature unleashes her fury, even these brave souls can be overwhelmed.
We need every available lineman out there. But how do we know who's qualified for what?
This is a disaster. We can't keep up with the outages.
Just when all hope seemed lost, a figure appeared on the horizon. Lineman Alex, armed with nothing but a tablet, stepped into the chaos.
Don't worry, everyone. I've got this.
With a few taps on his magical device, order began to emerge from chaos.
It's a miracle. Every lineman's credentials right at our fingertips.